Deepa Shetty here. I'm speaking from my clinic called Sakhyam. The mission of Sakhyam is well-being of all. Do you feel stuck in your life or in your old habit patterns? And many times you desire to have a healthier lifestyle and a healthier life, especially when you fall sick and you realize how having a good, healthy body is an asset. You can only depend on your body to actually do those routine work. You really want to do that, but once your health is okay, you get absorbed in those routine, which is to balance your work and life, which is sometimes balancing your academics and life, and in all those things you are not able to carry out those challenges or get into the newer habit pattern, so you just bounce back to the old ones. So if you are a person who want to actually have healthy body and mind, you need to embark on this journey of replacing old habits into a newer, healthier ones. Let's understand how. First and foremost, it's very important to recognize those cues in your life which are triggers for you to get into the old habit pattern. So it can be just a boredom, it can be some anxiety out there, it can be a depressive environment. Anything that is triggering you into the old habit pattern, you need to recognize them. Once you recognize, you know what to do about it. Then set a clearer goal. What is that you can do with all the things that you do on a daily basis? What you can do and how you can get there. So first and foremost, let's understand how do we do this. So set a clear goal. Whether it is a change in your diet, whether it is starting a new exercise, or whether it is understanding that I am actually eating because I'm getting bored, so what do I do about it? So set a clear goal which will help you to form a new healthier pattern. After that, take small steps. So you don't take complete change in your routine. I am not saying change your whole eating habits and get really do things in your life which is so difficult for you to do at times when you're actually juggling around a lot of things. So do small changes, small step at a time. So it can be just stopping the sugar, it can be just taking 10 minutes walk initially. Just start small steps. When you do the small steps, it can lead you to the bigger ones. So start with the small step. Replace your old habits into a newer one rather than removing them completely. So if you have a sugar craving, so you can replace it with fruits, or you can stock your pantry with lots of nuts and vegetables. So see that you replace your older one into a newer things which will not leave you with cravings. Okay. Also really recognize, you need to really go to the healthcare to understand why the craving. Sometimes it is just a deficiency in the vitamin. So you replace that with a vitamin, you will feel energetic and you may not have a craving of sugar to feel energetic. So understand where is the lack, and that's when you can actually take control over your life. Once you do all this, don't forget to actually give lot of compassion to your own self. So if you do mistakes out there and you once trip, remember that you should actually not focus on that setback and give yourself credit to come this far. And learn from it. Why did you trip? What are the cues you couldn't do? Remain consistent in your effort to do that change daily, routinely. And if you slip one day, don't beat yourself up. Give that some self-compassion to yourself and say you came this far and you're going to do it. You're going to go ahead with it. It's okay. That tomorrow I can take another new step towards a healthier one. That's when at least you can love yourself for being here. Celebrate every victory of yours. So even if it is that 1 week you could stick to the plan, or you are actually feeling energetic, so celebrate those victory within yourself and say, oh my god, I did this. Celebrate everything, a small victory also, so that you remain encouraged. Find support with your friends. So be among those people. So you can take a community support if you're doing diet. So people who are actually doing with you. So there will be somebody to encourage you and hold you accountable. You remember when we were studying, at least when I was studying, I had group of my friends who used to study with me. So when I used to fall asleep, I couldn't fall asleep because somebody else was studying. So I was accountable to my own self. How can I sleep? So form group like that and find support in them. When you do anything consistently and encourage yourself in this journey, that's when the new habit pattern forms. Setbacks come in everyone's life, but don't hold yourself responsible for it. And committing to your healthier lifestyle and healthier you is that what you did today, and you will consistently do it when you encourage yourself and find support system. So get there, transform your life, change your lifestyle, and find yourself having that healthier you which you wanted to have always. Always remember, you are the one who should love this body which is giving you so much in return by helping you to embark on this journey of life. And always give respect and do everything to keep it fit. That's the only friend you have within you right now. And that's the only thing you should be worried about, because I don't think you should be worried about, but you should be actually staying there, smiling with that body and doing everything that can make it successfully healthy. Hope this video added some value to you. Do write in the comment section how you liked it. Thank you for listening to me. See you.